Okay, I want to get set up to do the arrive seek behavior. Before I do anything though, I want to mention that I switched the mesh to have 4 sides instead of 3. I just created a new mesh and then mapped it in over here. And the reason I did that was the way that we calculate the orientation plane down here, it flips the plane occasionally, and so I just put 4 in because with 4 you won't be able to notice when it flips. With 3 sides you do notice. So it's still flipping, um, but now you just can't. Now it just when you watch it, it looks like it doesn't look like it's flipping. Okay, so let's go in and first thing I want to do is you know, in any of our steering behaviors, this code right here is going to be the same. So in seek it's going to be the same, and in arrive it's going to be the same. So rather than just copy and paste that, I'm going to make a new function, and it's going to take a desired and it's going to calculate and apply a steering force. So I'm going to say calc and apply steering or steer from demand from desired. Okay, so let's see if this works. Going to forgot I need self in there. Okay, so let's I'm going to keep this open. It's just so it's running the same. Okay, so now that we have that, Daniel Shiffman suggests that we, in addition to having a max velocity, which we have here and that we have in the mover, we want to have a max steer force. So we're going to put it right there, and I'm just going to put it as 5, and we can play around with it later. And so inside here we can constrain it to we'll go self dot or steer force equals vm dot vector constrain, and we're passing in this steer force right here. So steer force, and we want to have it be constrained in between self dot max steer force and 0. And just looking at this, the function that we wrote a long time ago, we had the min is 10, but it doesn't make sense to have it 10. It would make more sense to have it 0. So I'm just going to leave this as it is right there, but I'm going to go into edit Python script inside of our vector methods, and vector constrain. I'm going to just switch this to 0. I'm going to save that, but I've found that that doesn't change inside of here unless I restart the machine. So I'm just going to leave this as 0 for now. So that's all I want to do right now, and so now with that we can pretty easily make our arrive function.